Have you ever heard why you need at least 0.1 Bitcoin? What if I told you that this small investment could potentially make you incredibly wealthy in the future? Stick around, because in this video, we'll explore why 0.1 Bitcoin could change your life, and how Bitcoin's price could skyrocket in the next decade. Bitcoin has become one of the most revolutionary financial assets in history. Over the past few years, Bitcoin has shown explosive growth and resilience, despite the volatility of the broader market. But here's the question everyone's asking: can Bitcoin's price go even higher? Will it continue to grow in the coming years? In today's video, we'll dive into the reasons why you should own at least 0.1 Bitcoin and why this relatively small amount could set you on the path to financial success. Plus, we'll look at the 5x to 10x potential for Bitcoin over the next decade and explore the factors that could drive its price to new heights. You might be thinking, why 0.1 BTC? Why not 1 BTC, or 0.01 BTC? Here's the thing: Bitcoin is a scarce resource. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence. As demand for Bitcoin increases, its value goes up. Owning just 0.1 BTC today means you have a stake in one of the most exciting assets of our generation. Right now, 0.1 BTC is worth around $10,000 depending on the market. In the coming years, we could see Bitcoin's price rise dramatically. Think about it: owning 0.1 BTC today could potentially make you hundreds of thousands of dollars in the future. The more Bitcoin is adopted globally, the higher its price could go. Let's talk about someone who's been ahead of the curve when it comes to Bitcoin: Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy. Saylor has been accumulating Bitcoin for years, and his company now holds over 120,000 Bitcoins. He's one of the most vocal advocates for Bitcoin, and he believes that Bitcoin is the ultimate store of value in a world filled with inflation and uncertain fiat currencies. Saylor has repeatedly said that Bitcoin is the future of money and that it will only become more valuable as the years go on. He even mentioned that Bitcoin could become a 10x investment in the next decade. He believes that Bitcoin's scarcity, decentralized nature, and global adoption are the perfect ingredients for long-term growth. This is why owning Bitcoin, even in small amounts like 0.1 BTC, is crucial. Saylor sees Bitcoin as a digital gold, and he's betting that it will outperform most other investments over the long term. So, let's talk numbers. Right now, Bitcoin is trading around $100,000. If Bitcoin's price were to rise by 5x in the next 10 years, we're looking at $500,000 per Bitcoin. And if it 10x's from its current price, Bitcoin could be worth a staggering $1 million per Bitcoin. But why do experts believe that Bitcoin could hit these huge milestones? For one, institutional adoption is increasing. Big companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Square are all getting into Bitcoin. On top of that, Bitcoin ETFs are becoming more likely, and countries around the world are beginning to see Bitcoin as a reserve asset to protect against inflation. And it's not just businesses that are getting involved; retail adoption is growing as well. Bitcoin's usage in everyday transactions is increasing, and more people are starting to see it as a viable alternative to traditional currencies. With more people and institutions investing in Bitcoin, its price will naturally continue to rise. So, why does 0.1 BTC specifically have such potential? Let's put it into perspective. With Bitcoin's limited supply, every additional investor increases demand. As Bitcoin's price climbs, even a small amount like 0.1 BTC will increase significantly in value. If Bitcoin does hit $500,000 or $1 million, that 0.1 BTC could be worth $50,000 to $100,000, a massive return on your initial investment. In fact, even a smaller amount like 0.01 BTC, which might only be worth around $300 today, could be worth $1,500 to $3,000 in the next decade if Bitcoin achieves the growth predicted by experts. And that's why it's crucial to start investing in Bitcoin now, even with a small amount like 0.1 BTC. So, what's the price prediction for Bitcoin in the next 10 years? Based on current trends and expert analysis, Bitcoin could easily hit $500,000 to $1 million by 2030. This means that 0.1 BTC could be worth anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000, a 10x return on your investment. And if Bitcoin continues to grow at the pace it's been growing, those numbers could even be conservative. In conclusion, owning 0.1 Bitcoin could be one of the best decisions you make for your future. With Bitcoin's growth potential, increasing adoption, and massive price surge expected in the coming decade, even a small amount of Bitcoin today could turn into a significant asset in the years ahead. So, don't wait, start investing in Bitcoin now, before it's too late. What do you think about Bitcoin's future? Do you believe it could reach $1 million in the next 10 years? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on Bitcoin's price and future developments.